Come shop with me at Dillard's. Let's see if they've got any new arrivals and if they've got any great deals going on. I was immediately greeted by the shoe department, so we definitely need to go check out some of their shoes. Now, I did find their Uggs. They are 33% off, and let me show you some of the more unique ones that I found. These are the B Mary Janes, and they're on sale for $83.75. These Uggs have the slingback strap, and these are also on sale. All of the Uggs were on sale, and these are going for $100.50. Now look at these next Uggs. And these are actually the Tasman Alpine, and this one was the last one in that particular size, but these are going for $90.45. Now I did check the Dillard's website. They only have 2 sizes left, so these are big sellers, and I checked the Uggs site, and they're down to 1 size. Okay, let me show you the Ugg sneakers, and then we'll move on to something else. Now, these sneakers were $87.10. I ended up walking over to the Doc Martens table and look at these boots. I thought they were absolutely beautiful. I love the embroidery. And I'll bring it up a little closer so you can see the detail. And these were on sale for $113.90. Now, these Doc Martens have more of a canvas type of fabric on the outside, and these were going for $73.70. I do want to look at some evening shoes. Look at that heel. Oh my goodness, these are Steve Madden. It's a beautiful shoe. That's gorgeous. Okay, and these are going for $129.99. Okay, I just did a Macy's video. They had this same style, but in the red ballet's heel. And here they have them in black and in the pink. And these are going for $119.99. These boots are really nice. These are $127.29. I do want to try and pick out some unique styles. Are these like moccasins? Whoa. $46.23. I thought there were going to be a lot more. Azalea Wang. And I'll just quickly glance through here. Okay, the brand Gianni Bini has really, really fun shoes. Let me show you these right here. Some rhinestones on them for $119.99. But look at these. How adorable. These are beautiful. For $129.99. And the heel is actually really nice. It's not that tall. And if you like pearls, there's some Gianni Bini pearls. These are the wedge heel ones. And these are $129.99. And here are other ones. These have the pointed toe. Beautiful little bow in the front. You can see these would strap around your ankle. And let me see, even the heel has little pearls. This is a really pretty shoe. And this one is $139.99. Okay, I can look at shoes forever, so I'm just going to quickly glance through some of these other styles. This is a beautiful shoe, also by Gianni Bini. And then go head over to the handbags. These are $118.99. These cute little slippers. Okay, here we have Dunium Burke. I just saw this on a different online somewhere. So this is $186. Let me know in the comments, do you like the larger logos like this or something a little more subtle like this? I'm kind of torn. I do love this forest green color though. And of course, we cannot forget Betsy Johnson. Look at this purse in the shape of a croissant. Let's see how much this is going for. $118. Okay, this is super cute. Look at this. This is also by Betsy Johnson. It's in the shape of an arcade game with the little joystick and button. Oh my gosh. This one's $132. I do like to find unique pieces, and look at this one. This is beautiful. Who is this by? Dolce Vita. Oops. And that's on clearance or sale for $136.80. But what a unique bag. I love that. And here is another one. This is by Kurt Geiger. I'm going to bring that up a little closer. You can see the face on there. And that one is $186.80. Okay, here we have some Kate Spade bags. Look at this one. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the shape. Very soft. Nice leather. I didn't see the price on this one. I'm wondering if this is it. No. I'll see if I can find it online, and if I can, I'll try to search out the price for that one. Now here's a unique bag. I believe this one is also by Kate Spade. Yes, it is. And this one is $348. Some bags by Karl Lagerfeld. This is more of a clutch with a little handle on it. 100 and oh, it's on sale or regular price 148. This one's pretty with the little pearls. And here's a black one with a little brooch. That one is going for 268. I'm just going to show you a couple more bags and then we'll move over to jewelry. So here's a denim Coach bag. It says New York on it. You can see the embroidery on there. I'll bring it up a little closer so you can see the stitching. Okay, I did find the price. This one is going for $275. And here they have the same style, but in a black with like a taupe color on the embroidery. This one also says Coach New York. You can see the strap. It also has the handle. I believe this one would be the same, $275. As you can tell, these are locked up. Okay, now I am seeing this style. I've never had a purse this color, and I am actually in love with it. This is Coach. I couldn't find the price on this one, but I did find it on the black one, and these are going for $450. Very soft, nice leather. But you can see they have an ivory, this darker brown color, this black one, and then they've got these small ones. This is more like a camel color. Oh, I'm loving this. $275. I really like this style. Okay, they also have some sales on their jewelry. These are 40% off. I'll bring these up a little closer so you can see it. I'm looking for like some costume jewelry, like some earrings and rings. Zezane for $14.40. That's really good. And you'll swing around and see if there's anything you see on here that you might like. Okay, I do see some sets. Here we have some heart earrings and a necklace. This is $35 each. Buy two, save 10. So I don't know if this is part of their sale, but this one does have a clearance tag on it. This one is $18 for this bracelet. Okay, here are some rings. Here's a really pretty one with some little pearls on it. This is definitely costume jewelry. This is $18. Here's a really pretty ring with 3 different gemstones on it. And this one is $15. As you can tell, they've got silver and gold tone. Oh, this is really pretty. It looks like a little crown. And this one is $15. I'm going to show you one more. I thought this was super pretty. I think my flash went on. It did, my light. This is a gold tone one with this beautiful rhinestones. This one is $15. If it was my size, I think I'd get this one. It's really pretty. I'll just show you some of Betsy Johnson's jewelry as I'm walking by. They have Valentine's Day things out already. It's not even December 31st. They also have 25% off of Ray-Bans and Oakleys. So if you're looking for some sunglasses, you may want to swing by Dillard's. These are $160. I'm doing good. Here are 2 pair of Gucci sunglasses. And I don't know if you can see through the glass, but the logo is actually on the lens. That's pretty cool. And here are 2 more pair of Gucci sunglasses. Unfortunately, they're behind glass. I'm not going to be able to pull those out, but they do have plenty to choose from. Okay, I have been looking for a new scarf, and I've been wanting something in the Ralph Lauren color. So, believe it or not, this one is actually Ralph Lauren. $75. Here's a really pretty belt. So if you're looking for something with rhinestones on it, this one is going for $58. This one just says Dillard's on it. It doesn't show a brand. And here is another one. These are all Ralph Lauren. Oh, here's some more scarves. This one's by Echo. This one's $69. Oh, it's so soft. Let's go upstairs and see what we can find. Okay, after I came up the escalator, I happened to see these jeans. These are a brand called Chelsea and Violet. Look at the detail on the legs of the jeans. The beading is incredible. It's like sun rays. Well, it is sun rays. Let me see. There's nothing on the back, so the detail is on the front. And then they have coordinating sweaters. I'm trying to find the price. Well, this is coordinating, but it's a different brand. So that's by Nick and Zoe. This is or Zoe, 168 for this sweater. But you can I love looking at mannequins. So they're more of a cropped jean, like a capri jean, but this is the sweater that I was just showing you with tiny, tiny little sequins to coordinate with the jeans. That's super cute. Okay, so if you are into Western wear, they definitely have that here at Dillard's. Look at this coat. Oh my gosh, it's quilted. Look at this like faux fur and the embroidery. The detail on this coat is unbelievable. And then of course they've got some beaded Western style purses here. These are $194.30. They're pink tag. Look at this one's a little more subtle, but the pattern on here is absolutely beautiful. And then the silver belt with the turquoise, really pretty. So the dress is $198, and it's definitely a long dress. Okay, I'm really intrigued by this. I love denim and embroidery, and this is like cheetah print on it. Oh my goodness. This is $158. This is by Driftwood. Really, really nice. And here is the jacket that's on the mannequin. Let me see if I can find a price. It's by Talisman for $278. Like I mentioned, it is quilted on the inside. It is beautiful. Okay, that jacket that I just showed you is actually on a mannequin paired with matching jeans. Look at this. So, so cute. They do have 33% off of their holiday sweaters. Look at this pretty, pretty rhinestone design. This one is $79.06. And it is a turtleneck. Here they also have a mock turtleneck sweater with fringe on the bottom. You can see tiny little sequins on here. And this one is $58.96. And this is by the brand Reba. Okay, what I am realizing is this entire section is Western wear. So I grew up in Arizona, but I don't remember seeing an entire section of Western wear inside Dillard's. This is really, really cool. And if it was, I just don't remember seeing it. Okay, I'm going to show you one more Western jacket, and then we're going to go somewhere else. So this is $995. This is by Double D Ranch. It is leather with suede. It's got these beautiful fringes on it. Look at the stud design. This is the cutout with suede horses on it. Look at this. Unbelievable. It is beautiful. Let me turn this around. That's really nice. I can definitely appreciate the Western wear that they've got here. Really nice designs. It's actually getting kind of late, so I'm going to start making my way out of Dillard's. Keep watching as I make my way through the store. And if there's anything at Dillard's that you would like me to come back and focus on, please make sure that you put that in the comments so that I know when I'm filming a video what you guys want to watch. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you go. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already done so, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so that when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. All right, thanks again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.